everybody, this is 6 syllable types using nonsense words. So this is actually part 2. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you see the video for the first part of 6 syllable types. Today we are going to be using nonsense words. So that means that they're not real words, pseudo words. And what we're going to do is we're going to read all these different words. Even though they're nonsense words, we should be able to read them if we know our syllable types. So remember that closed syllables end in a consonant, and it makes the vowel in front of it a short vowel. A, I, a. So if I know that, then I'm not going to make any of these vowels long. They're all going to be short vowel. So this word says wax. The next word says dast. And the next word says chesk. And I know that because it's a closed syllable. It ends in a consonant. So I'm not going to say cheesk. I'm going to say chesk. Now that I go to open syllable, now it's going to make a long vowel sound. So when you do these words, they end at the vowel. So it makes the vowel long. So it's going to say A, E, I, O, or U. So that's why this word says gry. And this word says zay. And this word says row. And I know that, again, because it stops right on the vowel, not a consonant. And so it makes the vowel sound long. Now, we also have words that end with a silent E, but the silent E turns the vowel into a long vowel, right? So if I cover this up, that word's going to say prot, but because I have the silent E, it turns the vowel long. So now it says prot. Let's see if you can read this one. Drine. And this one, grame. Not gram, which is a real word, but once you add that silent E, it turns the vowel long, grame. Okay, let's see if we can read these vowel teams. These are some of my favorite because there's 2 vowels that make one new unique sound. So for example, here, I recognize the O and the I together make the oi sound. So this is gonna say going. Double E makes a long E sound. Fleep. And the AY makes a long A sound. So it's going to say skay. So see, these are all nonsense words, but we're still able to read them. Now we're going to go to R controlled vowels. So anytime you see the vowel next to the letter R, that's an R controlled vowel. So when the A is next to the R, it makes a R sound. So it goes plar. When the O is next to the R, it makes an OR sound. So it says nort. And when the U is next to the R, it says so it goes thur. And the last one, consonant LE. So that means that there's a consonant and then you add an LE after that consonant. So they're usually found towards the end of a word. So for example here, because this is almost like, it reminds me of puzzle, right? So that means this zol, it's gonna say zol. Right? So this one like little, right? Toll. This one reminds me of, let me move that over a little bit. Table, bowl. Okay? So it's kind of like that E is silent, right? It makes so this blend together. Zol, toll, bowl. Okay? So hopefully you were able to read those. In the 6 syllable types. But if you had a little trouble with it, then make sure you go back to that first video. Maybe it'll help you out, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.